Welcome to GrumpyMan's Reviews. Today we are looking at the Tefal Easy Fry and Grill Air Fryer. This comes with a 4.2 litre basket. It has 8 presets. Tefal say no heat up time. It's suitable for up to 6 people. If you want to pick it up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I have also reviewed many other air fryers. If you want to watch them videos, I will leave a link in the iCard and in the description box below. Some information on this side, that's the frying part and the grill part, the 8 presets. I forgot to mention there are 2 models to this. This one is the digital one. They also do an analog model which is slightly cheaper. You could download the Tefal app. You will have access to 100 recipes. You get this little leaflet. There's instructions there. Another leaflet, Easy Fry and Grill. This is all pictures. I don't know if you've been around my channel before and you've seen them Tassimo leaflets. This is similar to that and they are rubbish. And some more paperwork. So that's the grill plate. That side will be good for steaks. That side will be good for like doing your vegetables or wedges. It is non-stick this. I don't know if you can put this in the dishwasher. That's what it looks like from the top. That there is the air outlet. So wherever you place this air fryer, make sure you give it enough room so hot air can get out of there. Fixed cord at the back. This does have a decent length compared to some of the air fryers I've reviewed. At the bottom we have 4 rubber pads. It's letting us know the power there. It's 1550 watts this. This sticker is giving us information of what we'll see on the digital display. I'll show you the air fryer from inside. That's the 4.2 litre basket. That's non-stick as well. That's what it looks like from the bottom if you're interested. There's a max line there. Right, I'll go and wash the basket. We'll have a look at the display and then we'll do some cooking. Turn the air fryer on. Here is where we would control our temperature from. You could go down or up. And on this side we have the time. You could go down or up. And we have 8 presets. We have chips, nuggets, chicken, pizza, meat, fish, vegetables and cake. And here are the buttons. If you want to air fry, you push air fry first. And that's grill and this is on off. So say I want to air fry chips. So I'd press air fry, I'd select chips. By default, it's given me a time of 25 minutes. The maximum time you could select is up to 60 minutes and the temperature is 200 degrees Celsius and then I'll just press start. You can still adjust the time as well. Say you don't need 25 minutes, you could still turn it down while it's working as well. That's a good feature that. You can also adjust the temperature as well. Once you open the basket to have a look at the food or if you're putting chips in to shake them halfway, it pauses the air fryer or grill. Push the basket back in and it continues. It is quite loud this. Okay, so say you don't want to use the presets, you know the temperature and time you require for the food you are cooking, you could select that as well. Push the basket in. On. Say I'm going to grill something, I press grill. Temperature, I want 180 degrees Celsius. Time, I want 10 minutes and then I press start. I hope I've explained everything because the instructions included were not good at all. Tefal do really need to work on the instructions. I will be making some McCain's chips. According to the instructions, if we have a 1400 watt air fryer, we need to put the chips on for 16 minutes. As this is 1550 watts, I'm going to leave it at 200 degrees Celsius as it suggests there. I'm going to put this on for 15 minutes. Tefal say no preheat time. Turn it on, select air fry, select chips, 200 degrees Celsius. Time, I'll turn it down to 15 minutes, and then I just turn the air fryer on. Okay, so it has been 5 minutes. Give it a little shake. Put it back in. I'll check back after another 5 minutes. I'm just going to remove my microphone and place it close to the air fryer so you can hear for yourself how loud this is. Taking it to the back. Let's have a look now. We're getting there. By the way, I didn't use any oil. We've got 4 minutes left. Oh, they're done. I was just going to say we've got 4 minutes left. Let's have another look. But to my liking, they're done. If you want them more crispy and golden than that, you can leave them in for longer. But for me, personally, they're done. Some of the chips have gone through that hole there. They've gone at the bottom. So once this is cooled down, I can remove that and take them out. And then I'll give this a quick rinse. I need to switch it over because I'm going to grill some chicken next. We've put 2 chicken breast pieces in there, seasoned at home, well oiled. So let's select grill. We'll do chicken, 200 degrees Celsius. Time, it's saying 60 minutes, but I need a lot less than that. I'll start off with 10 minutes, and then after 5 minutes, I'm going to flip them over. Start. It's 5 minutes. Let's see how they're getting on. Oh, they're coming along nicely. I just need to flip them over. That's the underside. They look delicious. Show you the basket. So once that's cooled down, I'm going to hand wash it. That looks delicious, and it took me around 20 minutes to get this meal ready. This is a good air fryer. The grill is good as well. I hope you found this video useful because I really need to get going now. Looking at that, my mouth can't handle it anymore. It's watering. Please leave a like and please subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.